Hi, it's Craig from Herrick Library. Today I want to talk to you about a great resource that is offered through our website. The database, Auto Repair Source, is a car service and repair for all vehicles, including diagrams, maintenance, and step-by-step help. To access this database, go to our website, herrickdl.org. Click on Research and Learn, and select eResearch. Scroll down the page, and under Databases, click the drop-down box under Subject and select Car Repair. Then click Auto Repair Source. From the main page, you can begin to drill down to the type of vehicle you're looking for. Once a vehicle is selected, you can perform a search for the service you would like to perform or select a component from the list. After selecting a component, you will get a step-by-step instructions as well as images. You can click on the figure number or the images themselves to view larger. If you are heading into the garage and don't want to take your computer with you, these instructions can be printed. Click on the drop-down for the print options and choose what you'd like, then click Print. Here you can see what the print preview will look like. Hopefully, you now feel confident about using the Auto Repair Resource Database. If you have any questions about this database or other research databases, please contact the library and we will be happy to help.